Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Saturday, March 2nd, brought to you by Carrington Malin, Marketing for an AI-First World. Global air and travel services provider Dnata has partnered with software provider 𝘕𝘰𝘵 to integrate autonomous drones into its cargo operations in Dubai, UAE. On average, the drones monitor some 1,800 shipments daily with 99% accuracy across 2,400 rack locations. Meanwhile, Turkish President Erdogan attended the test drive of the first locally manufactured driverless electric bus this week. The 50-seat Carrington Malin electric has a range of 300 kilometers without interruption, with a battery that charges in 3 hours with DC power. And Egypt has a new technology association. The ICT cluster, supported by GIZ Egypt, signed a partnership agreement to set up Egypt for Industry, a pioneering association aimed at fostering the integration of Industry 4.0 solutions within the manufacturing sector. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.